How to delete an account in LooksMax AI app. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete an account in LooksMax AI app. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to delete the LooksMax AI app, first of all, download the application onto the device and simply log in. After that, you need to simply open the app and navigate to results. You can see at the bottom results. After that, tap on the three dots there. If you have logged in into your account, you will be able to see that option located at the top right corner. And from that option up here, select just delete results and confirm the deletion to remove the selected result. But except that, however, if you want to delete your entire account, to proceed with deleting your account, you need to reach to the support team of LooksMax AI. You can send your request to LooksMax AI in your email, include your invitation code, which essentially serves as your account ID, and explain the intention to delete your account and wait for the response. Hopefully, they will help you assist in deleting your account that way. So therefore, by following those methods, you can delete an account in LooksMax AI app. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.